Harbour are still in celebration mode following victory over Dunbeholden to capture the Jamaica Premier League title at Sabina Park on Sunday. The Stars of the East prevailed on penalties to lift their fifth Premier League title.
At the start of the season, the only mention of Harbour was that they would be participating in the league, full stop. No one gave them a chance of winning the title. Some were still on the fence when Colorado Murray fired them in front against Dunbeholden FC in the final after just 2 minutes. Some thought it was only a matter of time before the cream comes to the top, as chances fell Dunbeholden's way. But Harbour were undaunted as they posed problems of their own. However, they had to rethink when Demario Phillips turned up the decibel in a jam-packed Sabina Park as Dunbeholden pulled level in the 56th minute. This was close as the Stars of the East went in search of the lead once more. But breathe a sigh of relief at the other end. Dunbeholden had the last shout in extra time, but Amal Knight had his say to send the game into penalties. It was good going for either side in the shootout as both were level at 5-all until this happened in sudden death. Fabian McCarthy became the villain and Harbour the hero as they ended a 9-year wait for their time at the top of the podium.
We didn't have anything to lose because we weren't supposed to be in the party. But we wanted it more than anybody else. And I think this is the end result of a very fantastic season for Harbour Football Club.
Coach Ludda Bernard says the win is a fitting tribute to the Harbour family.
I really did feel the buzz in the community over the last couple of days. Everybody was excited, everybody was looking forward to the victory. I mean, when I look in the stands, I don't think a Premier League final has ever been this full in a long while, apart from when Arne Gardens is playing. So that myth that Harbour can't bring out the crowd, well, it was put to rest here today. A lot of persons support Harbour, a lot of Harbour persons there, and I'm glad that it was done for the community, and community enjoy the moment.
Colorado Murray started his career at Harbour before stints with Tivoli Gardens and Waterhouse, but he says it's fitting to win his first Premier League title where it all started.
I'm very grateful, to win the title. I have two objectives when I came here at Harbour to come here and just win the Premier League title, as I've never done before, and also to qualify for CONCACAF. So I have to be, I'm very happy.
So with the title out the way, it's time to move up from a 4-star to a 5-star general. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.